I'm not gonna tell you the price because that changes. Alam ko naman mga buy and sell people kayo. So hindi na natin pag-uusapan yung presyo na yan, kaya na mag-presyo nito. The helmet itself is made from... Insert that there. What's up guys, it's me Enzo Amistoso. We are here in the beautiful MV Agusta Showroom here in Caloocan. So if you don't know MV Agusta is a world-renowned motorcycle brand. It has been since revamped since its old classic days to provide the latest and the greatest. We'll be talking more about them on our video of the showroom tour, checking out the newest bikes they have and also the limited edition ones that they keep here as museum pieces. So if you're into beautiful Italian things, you're definitely wanting to go here in MV Agusta. But that's not why we're here today. Actually, no, that's why we're here today. But on a side note, we do have a new helmet from KYT. Many thanks to KYT because, you know, limited edition stuff like the one that I'm holding right now is very hard to come by. For you guys that are already owners of KYT helmets, you know that when something comes out, everyone is quick on their feet to get it. Meron na agad nagmamine. And if you know KYT boxes, you know that they come in gloss. And this one is matte. What we have here is the KYT TT Course. This colorway is a replica of a KYT professional rider's helmet. Let's go ahead and unbox this thing because I am really excited. Well, I've already seen the helmet. I'm really excited to peel off that sticker in the visor. And that's something that you guys will be able to enjoy with me. So the box, usual KYT, very well done. It has this to keep the helmet in center. That's cardboard. It also houses the manual. Read your manual. It's fun to read. Something that you can do instead of getting on your phone in the bathroom. You're taking a shit, read it. Some valuable information, maybe some helmet care, maybe some tips on how you can really maximize your helmet. Inside, because this is special, we have Motul stickers. Motul stickers. Thank you, KYT Philippines, for that. On the other side, we have this styrofoam to keep the helmet again in center. And then here we go. Here we are, the helmet itself. Smells like it came from the factory. Well, that's pretty much the box. It comes with its protective bag. Nice protective bag. I'm not sure how it compares with the other protective bags that come with other series of helmets by KYT, but for what it's doing and what you're planning to do with it, maybe put it on your motorcycle just so when you're going around you don't lay your helmet bare onto whatever it is you're putting onto. We're gonna just pull it out. Ta-da! There it is. The reason why I chose this helmet over a few of the available colorways that KYT presented to me is because I ride the Duke 390. And for me, that's a Duke orange. Or if you're a Honda fan, that's a Repsol orange. And I do like the red and black colorway. And the orange is pretty much a good accent for me. So let's talk more about the TT Course. This is the medium-sized one. It is the basic helmet that you can get from KYT. It comes at a very good value-oriented price point. I'm not gonna tell you the price because that changes. Alam ko naman mga buy and sell people kayo. So hindi na natin pag-uusapan yung presyo na yan, kaya na mag-presyo nito. Anyway, so with the TT Course, it's a very modern helmet. You have here, first in front, visor made of Lexan. So Lexan, if you're not familiar with it, it's a glass that's very much used in racing. Windows on racing cars are Lexan. It's very light. It does not shatter. It's not glass. And it will keep you protected from debris. So it's a very durable material. The helmet itself is made from... It is very light. It is very light for what it is. The shape is very modern. As you can see, there are a lot of aerodynamic elements that have been built into this helmet. Let's start with the front. So the front, we have here this latch. So this is to let air into your face so you can breathe. But in high-speed situations, that can also cause a bit of drag. So you can close that up to make the helmet more aero. On the top, right at your forehead, we also have those vents again to channel air from the front all the way to the back to keep your head cool. But again, in high-speed situations, you want to keep that close to get the wind buffeting down to, again, increase aero. Up at the top, we also have, again, vents that you can open and close. And this is more geared to what we have here at the back. So if you guys are very familiar with supercars, you'll know that they love to use mesh on the back. Also, this shape that we call the duct tail. This is a very aerodynamic design where what they call the duct tail allows the air to peel off properly without creating any aerodynamic forces that are going to pull your head back or cause any turbulence when you're tilting side to side. So that's a very nice technology that we can observe in a helmet that is positioned right at the value price point. With the same thinking as supercars, there are openings here that allow the hot air from the engine. That heat from the engine or the heat that's coming out of your head helps in the aero benefit and allowing the air to peel off, because hot air and cold air, they don't really mix. So the same technology comes off here, so it's really nice to see that. There are more vents right to the side, and it does have that mesh that you can see, the same as supercars. So, but yeah, last but not the least, peeling off this front cover. I'm not sure where the peel off part is. There it is. So, oh, that just feels so good. So the TT course is also an Asian fit. I'm not saying anything bad about the other helmets, but this helmet, for me, being Filipino, I really like how they've designed it around Asian heads. We don't have that chiseled chin or elongated faces. We do have our nice bilogen face with a nice cheeks. This size in medium is perfect for me. Let's talk about the retention system. The retention system here is a double D-ring. The nice thing about KYT is that all of their helmets, from this basic one, the TT course, all the way to the NX race, you will find that they use the same double D-ring, same material in the double D-ring. And that's something that you don't really see a lot. Sometimes when it's a value helmet, when it's the cheaper one, you don't get the same technology as the top tier models. But here in KYT, they do value your safety. So they do have the same double D-rings as the tension mechanisms for your helmets from the bottom to the top. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you dislike this video, please let us know in the comments below. And as always, ride safe. Bye-bye.